How to fix msvcr110.dll. Missing errors in Windows 11? To fix msvcr110.dll. Missing errors in Windows 11, try 1. Check for Windows updates. 2. Check your recycle bin and restore msvcr110.dll. If possible. 3. Run a system file checker scan as admin. Commands, dism.exe. /online/cleanup image /restore health sfc /scan04. Run an antivirus scan. Install Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 redistributable update at https://www.microsoft.com/n-us/details.aspx?id =52685. 6. Install DXX runtime libraries at https://w.microsoft.com/n-us/download/details.aspx?id =35. 7. Remove and reinstall the software that gave you the msvcr110.dll error. 8. Roll back Windows 11.